Today we're going to be installing an RV lock with a keypad. And the only thing that sucks is it's set up for right hinge. So the keypad will be upside down, but it'll be way better than having to remember a key. And this is going on the crawler hauler. For those unfamiliar, it's a travel light camper on a 3-car hauler project that we've been working on. From the last video, we've got boxes mounted. This one stores our Ninja wood fire grill along with a cord and some other random electrical crap. We got the little Predator generator. I ran a cord from the camper up and around. No, that's the one that hooks for the lights. But it's actually hanging right now, right over there. That one hooks to the normal spot in the back of the truck, which allows the camper lights to work. So when people are next to me, they can see all the lights on the camper. We got the propane tank strapped down. We put up some Amazon special e-channel, which seems to be working really well. Got another box over here. But this way, we're going to have the ability to get in and out of the camper and not forget the keys. What happened is I forgot the keys and I couldn't lock it. So not the end of the world, because really nothing to steal, but don't want dumbass kids being stupid, But yeah. So that's our project for today. This RV lock was from Amazon, and it's literally from rvlock.com, I think. So I don't know, something. But comes with a remote, so you can unlock it remotely for whatever reason. But yeah, let's check it out, see what's in the box. So it comes in a really nice box. I know it's kind of getting dark out, but it's got a flip open lid, and it's got all kinds of notes about the features. It's got a thing that says details inside, probably instruction manual. It comes with the door lock section, which is pretty stout. A little wire that comes off of it, and that hooks to this box right here, which is your normal inside latch. You'd flip this, and then accessories, which feels like keys, but there we go. Don't mind me being all dirty. I was working on the bead locks. I'm waiting on new bolts for that before I can put it back together. But basically, this is just the striker plate and keys and the little remote thing. But yeah, let's check it out. So what we currently have is your normal average. This is the same thing on my construction trailer, just a flip open door lock. We're gonna see how this goes, removing this. So check it out. Remove the 4 screws, then this piece comes off. And this just reveals the actual lock mechanism. And let's see how this comes off. So just like an interior door, there's some screws right there in the end of the door lock, and then this comes right out. So, and then we can take our new one, put it right back in. Hopefully it's designed to work the same exact way in the same hole. Oh, the cord's getting stuck. Fish the little wire out. Ta-da, right back in the same hole. So I'll put that little plate back on there and then bolt the inside up. We'll see how it works. So this part bolted up just like the old one did. And that seems to fit in there just nice. So I really wish I would have caught it on video, and I know it's getting pretty dark. I plugged this in, and then I put the batteries in the, pulled the battery thing out, and it said, "Welcome to RV Lock." And then check this out, on the remote, you just hit the unlock button, or the lock button, say. See the bolt come out right there? Unlock. Pretty badass. I know this thing is dark as hell. But yeah, I'm sold on that already. I'll figure out the keypad thing later. But yeah, seems to work pretty good. So finished assembling the RV lock. It's upside down, but it really doesn't play a tremendous amount of relevance. Just the numbers are upside down. But this one actually works better than the old lock. Oh, I didn't try the lock feature. Oh, I found the remote. Oh, and the light's up too. Check that out. Oh, that didn't sound good. It sounded like it didn't lock. Oh, it did. It's a pretty hefty feeling remote too. It's like got metal on it or something. It's pretty stout. Well, that didn't work because now it's staying locked. I don't know what I did wrong. Give me a second to figure that out. All right, I figured it out. It's just that handle was up a little bit. So hit the lock button. Locked. Hit the unlock button. Yeah, so that's a little temperamental. I probably got to just adjust the latch a little. Let me put a little pressure on my foot. Yeah, that's all it is. Just hitting on the striker a little, which that's common. I just threw it in. It's common in house locks. There's probably just a little more pressure on that. So like you push on this. Yeah, I just gotta adjust it a little bit. User error. See, now it's only caught on a deadbolt is what it is. Now it's caught on both of them, so now it should unlock. Yeah, sweet. So there you go, RV lock. Kind of a crappy review. I know it's dark, but just figured I'd put it out there. So definitely pretty cool. This is the same kind of lock that's even on like your construction trailer. It's like the enclosed, it's like a, you know, I pull around a 7x14, and this is the same lock. Mine has a bar lock that goes right over top of this, so I'd hate to like jack it all up, being that this thing's like $100, but pretty cool.